Get the fire going. Flames, heat. Alright, start with fire. Get it going. Heat. Alright, welcome. Today, oh, you like the smile, huh? Yep. So today we have what? Jamaican jerk chicken. Yep. Grill ready. Fire. Yep. Real hot. Alright, smoke going. You can take a look at the chicken. Nice and ready, right? Good. Alright. So we get some of them on the grill. You know, once you put it on the grill, placement is also essential. And make sure you place them evenly. Distribute that heat evenly. Nice. Keep your fire at a low flame. That way you don't burn your food. We don't deal with burn food around here, right? Chicken, when it finished, nice and golden. No burn, right? Have little grill marks, but no burn. Alright. Sweet. And at the end, retain some of the fluid, the liquid, mix with some water. If the flame kicks up, sprinkle a little, keep it down. All right. That's it. Nice heat, good. So 5 minutes time, come back, see what it's doing, and flip them. All right, here we go for the test. All right. 5 minutes in, let's see where we're at. Yep, see? Start getting some nice color. That's what we want. That's exactly what we want. And when I do my jerk chicken, I tend to flip it like every 5 minutes. So that way it cooks evenly straight through. You don't have one side cooking more than the other. Or one side burning, you know? Even cook. A lot of people used to do jerk or do chicken on the grill and they'll leave it sitting for 10-15 minutes, and then you have a side that is so charred it ruins the taste at the end of the cook. Alright, so I tend to flip mine, get that even cook, and wherever the flame is high I can switch or move around my meat accordingly. Alright, so there we go. Starting to look good already. Alright. We'll check on it again. Alright, back again. Alright, yeah man. So let's see where we're at, alright? Alright. So like I tell you, keep flipping. Alright, want to even cook. Consistency is the key. Get it cooked right through, alright? Yep, there we go. Loving it, loving the look. Loving the look. Yep. Yeah man, I think it's a close up. Yeah, nice. Loving the look. And as I said earlier, if you flame too high in one section, like we notice the middle high, all we do, simple, switch it. Put the other ones in the middle. That's what I said, no burn food around here. So put all these in the middle. And the ones that were on the higher flame, just move them to the outer side. Less heat, slow cook. That's how we do it. A nice slow cook. Still finishing about, say, 45 minutes tops. Alright, there we go, good. And we'll come back in a few. So we heard the flame sounded a bit high, so just gonna slow it down a bit. And you can sprinkle a little of the beer on your meat, alright? But Keep your flame under control at all times. Good. All right. Where are we at now? About 45 minutes in. All right. See, looking good. Looking good. Yep. Nice. All done. There we go. Good. And that's how we do it. Nice, real Jamaican jerk chicken. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna take a walk inside, put together my barbecue sauce. After that, come back out, put some sauce on them, and we'll be done. So I'll see you on the inside. All right, now we're inside. Whipping up a quick barbecue sauce. All right, simple ingredients: ketchup. And just put the amount you want. That matches the amount of chicken you have. Using some barbecue sauce. And as we go along, we'll modify it. With the salt, pinch, ground ginger. Always put that ginger, brings up your flavor. Garlic, and just pinch of garlic powder. We add some black pepper. Some onion powder. We add some Jamaican jerk seasoning. And this one is store-bought, right? I already made my blend, which was the rub for the chicken, but we're just adding a little of the store-bought one. You can use any one you choose, because there are quite a few on the market. Right? I normally add some Cairo syrup, and that is just to get it sticky. You can use honey if you desire. Right? But for my stickiness, or stick it to it, I want it to stick to it, I use Cairo syrup. And this I'll add. This is a mixture. Now this is my secret. And this one I can't tell. But everything I've given so far will give you a good sauce. Alright? So I'll be back in a minute, show you it simmering. Alright, so the finishing touches now to my sauce. See? Starting to thicken up. Pretty good. It's just some sugar. And you add your sugar to taste. Alright? But we kinda like it sweet. Yeah man, so we just put in some whole heap of sugar. I want it sweet. Alright. Yep. So yeah man, this should be real good. Alright. Once that sugar is mixed out, we're good. We can go and base our chicken. Leave it on for another. Yeah man, ready? Ready. Good. Alright. Alright, so we can head outside now. Finish up. Alright, here we are on the final lap, finale. So now chicken's done. You know, cooked right through, soaked. So now I'm just gonna give it a quick dip in my sauce. Nice. So we're just giving them a quick dip. Leave them on for another about 5 minutes, and we're good. We'll take them back inside. We're done. So this is just to get that barbecue sauce soaked in and caramelized on the meat. Nice. You take a good look at the color that you have on the grill. You see how pretty that's looking. Nice and pretty. Yep. That's how your chicken's supposed to look when you do a barbecue. Nice. Nice jerk. Alright, good. So once I'm done with all this coating, 5 minutes, and then you'll see me on the inside. ready to eat. Good. All right, welcome back. Yes, finished product. All right, here we go. Off the grill, done. See, nice and easy cut through, right? And that's how you want it. Looking real good, right? Nice and easy, right? You can go ahead and you can even cut. All right, see, all good, nice, juicy. Right? So I'll show you my finished plate. Let's make a quick plate, and I'll show you. Then later on, we enjoy some real jerk chicken, right? Nice, island style. So, don't forget, remember, like, subscribe, share, hey. And you see that bell? Yeah, just ring it too, all right? Cool.